You will have to go back to the 2000 Games in Sydney for the last time a Jamaican man won an Olympic medal in the 400 meters when Gregory Horton clocked 44.70 to earn a bronze medal. Among those expected to line up in Saturday's 400-meter men's final as the men try to earn a place to Tokyo is 2019 national champion Demish Gay. The COVID-19 pandemic may have given the sprint tech athlete some precious time, as this season has seen him struggle with injuries.
Well, I had a couple of injury concerns which kind of set me back in my training, so that was the reason. Well, it was a stress fracture which had me out for about 7 weeks of no physical training, so I just had to sit out and let the injury heal. Well, in the preparation phase, I think I am we are at somewhere we need to be, and I just want to get ready for the trials. Well, mostly we're just working on endurance and some speed.
The 28-year-old is rebounding from those injuries and recorded a season's best 45.84 during the JOA J3's Olympic Destiny Series. Now he's focused on seeing how his body adjusts to 3 rounds of 400-meter races.
For this season, I didn't really set any target because of the injury, but I'm just grateful that I will get a chance to compete and compete injury-free. Well, it was good for me because I was lacking 400 competition since 2019. So I think this year was the first 400 since 2019. So I'm very grateful.
After setting the National Stadium alight for years, former Calabar High School standout Christopher Taylor had to be content with second place to end his champ's career. Having changed camps and being the second fastest Jamaican over 400 meters this year with 45.67, Taylor is looking forward to returning to the National Stadium.
I'm really looking forward in competing in this year Olympic trials. I'm really excited to go there and compete. I think the field will be a really competitive field, knowing that most of the guys are running in the same time zone so far for this season. So I'm just hoping to just go out there and have a good race and a good championship at the end of the day.
Taylor will also have to fend off the challenges of former Manchester High athletes Zandrian Barnes, who fought back through injuries to record a personal best in his pet event in May.
My coach told me that I shouldn't worry about anything. I really have nothing to lose, just to go out there and just run my race, really. It's highly expected that I will make the finals, and it's about rounds, not about the one run, so we are preparing for that really.
The National Senior and Junior Championships will take place this week from Thursday, June 24 to Sunday, June 27, with live coverage on TVJ and the TVJ Sports Network. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.